Hi, I'm Allison Donnelly for Cecil TV. I'm here at the Ice Splash at the Wellwood, which supports Cecil County Special Olympics. I'm here with Justin. How are you this morning?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well. Are you cold?
Yes, just a little bit.
So are you splashing with a particular team?
Team Market Street.
Okay, that's the restaurant
Yes,
up
ma'am,
there.
right up the street.
And why are you guys supporting this cause?
Special Olympics. A good cause. Fun. Good people together. Yeah, something to do.
Nice. Well, good luck splashing.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with Jill. Jill, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. Are you excited to splash?
We are very excited.
Who are you splashing with today? Who's your team?
We're from Snatchers Creekside. We're the Snatchers Splashers.
That's awesome. So why is it important to support this cause?
I don't know. Goodness.
What is the cause?
It's for the Ice Splash, for the Special Olympics. We're very excited. Had a Sunday was our fundraising day and donated a portion of our tips and our sales to all of that. So we are really excited for today.
I thought you didn't want to be on TV. Is this your first year?
Yes, it is.
Great. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
I'm here with Judge Davis. Why are you splashing today?
I'm splashing for the Special Olympics, and I had a team. They were short some people. I got my publicist back here. They were short some people, and they needed somebody. So I said I would come in here and do it with them. So we're doing it for Cecil County for the Special Olympics for America. So thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Right here, going to jump in the water for everybody.